Hey, what's up? My name's Alex. Today I'm going to show you how to do these gorgeous Gelx nails. You can do these yourself at home. If I can focus, like look how cute these are. I am not a professional. I'm not even artistic. I'm a finance girl. So if this is something you're interested in learning how to do for yourself, then definitely keep watching and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos about do-it-yourself beauty, natural hair, curly hair, nails, all of that good stuff. I post a ton of videos about all of those things, so you definitely don't want to miss it. And yeah, without further ado, let's just jump right into the video so you can learn how to do these beautiful nails. Let's go.
All right, so today we are going to be using the Beetles nail glue. And what I do when applying gelxnails is I apply it to the base of my real nail and then I add a dollop to the artificial nail because it's hard. It's a little hard to record adding that dollop to the nail. Just know there is a dollop of nail glue on the actual nail and my real nail. That's going to be the key step in applying the nails itself. I'm going to lean in and tell you more about how I apply the actual Gelx. What's important here when applying the Gelx is to apply it in a zigzag motion, not being afraid to apply a good amount to create that apex on your nail. But what you're going to need to do in order for your nail to not look too flat and have that nice rounded apex is you're going to want to flip your nails upside down. When you flip your hand upside down, the apex is created on its own. I then cure each individual nail underneath UV light. I found that works really, really, really well. Doing each nail one by one, it does take much longer, but you do have a little less spillage of builder gel on the outside of your fingers. So I did skip through how to actually apply the nail. I didn't get that detailed in the gluing portion of it because it is simply just adding glue to your real nail in thin coats and then adding a dollop of glue to the artificial nail. And then like making sure the key when you're applying nails is to make sure that you like wipe off any excess glue that you see prior to using the UV light because that will just lock everything in place. So you want to make sure that you like the look of the nail prior to setting the nail underneath the UV light. I think that's key there. And you can just see throughout this entire process, I'm finishing up the builder gel on every single nail and then I go in with a top coat. Today, I actually forgot my top coat, but luckily my mom had a gel top coat at her house. This is like a Sally's top coat that I'm using, and it was super easy to use, came on nice and thick. I even apply a little bit of top coat underneath my nail. I learned that trick from going to the real nail salon because what that does is help keep your nails a little cleaner on the underside. So they're easier to wipe down and get a little less stuff trapped underneath them. So I enjoy doing that. That's been really helpful for me, given I am someone that like works out in the garden and everything, and I really loves that. So yeah, just follow this process. It's really easy to do. I have a ton of videos on doing these exact nails, just a different color. I think the biggest takeaway and lesson learned I had from this experience was definitely to cure each individual nail one by one when applying the builder gel. Same with the nail glue. It just made the nails last a lot longer. These lasted me over 3 weeks. I was on vacation in the ocean and all of those good things, and it just stuck beside me and just really worked. So I highly recommend you try that out. And yeah, like I will just like speed through the rest of this process. Thank you so much for watching. And then now I will have a closeout portion of this video where I show you what the nails look like the next day.
All right, these are the final nails. This is the next day. I've taken a shower with them. I was recording at my mom's house. That's why my setup looked a little different. But yeah, you can see like how cute these are. This is probably my best set. I really took my time. You can see I use the individual lamp to cure the builder gel, and I think that's going to help with lifting at the base here. But yeah, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out so much. And please subscribe to my channel. And that'll let me know that you want to see more nail videos. So definitely subscribe. And yeah, that's all I got. I hope you like them. I love them. I never do color, but I have a whole bunch to choose from now. So I will definitely be doing more color. So yeah. And yeah, that's all I got. So thank you so much for watching. And until next time, bye.